Looking for a reliable and feature-rich forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Trade Nation, a globally regulated broker known for its transparent pricing, user-friendly platforms, and trader-first approach. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Trade Nation is a global multi-asset broker known for its transparent pricing, fixed spreads, and strong regulatory framework. Established in 2014, the company has built a reputation for being a reliable choice for both new and experienced traders, largely due to its commitment to fairness and simplicity. The broker is regulated by several major authorities, giving traders added confidence in the safety of their funds and the integrity of the trading environment. The broker also places a strong focus on customer support, straightforward trading conditions, and providing a user-friendly trading experience that removes the complexity often found in the trading industry. Whether you are just getting started or looking for a trustworthy long-term broker, Trade Nation aims to offer a stable and transparent way to engage with the financial markets. The broker gives traders access to a wide and diverse selection of global markets under one roof, from forex, with dozens of major and minor currency pairs, to commodities, including precious metals, energy products, and raw materials, to global indices covering major markets such as the S&P 500, FTSE 100, DAX 40, NASDAQ 100, and more. On top of that, users can trade shares and stock CFDs, covering companies listed across leading markets in the US, UK, Europe, and South Africa, enabling exposure to equities without needing to own the underlying stocks. Trade Nation also provides CFD-based trading, meaning you don't own the underlying asset, but rather speculate on price movements, with leverage and flexible position sizing, which can suit everything from short-term trading to long-term market exposure. This instrument selection lets traders mix and match across asset classes, making it possible to build diversified strategies whether you're trading for short-term moves or longer-term macro views. Trade Nation is regulated across multiple jurisdictions, including the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, and also holds licenses under the Securities Commission of the Bahamas, as well as the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, depending on the jurisdiction. Client funds are kept in segregated bank accounts separate from the company's own funds, which helps ensure that clients' money remains safe even if the broker faces financial problems. For added protection, Trade Nation offers negative balance protection, meaning clients cannot lose more than their deposited funds, even in adverse market conditions. The broker does not offer standard deposit bonuses or welcome bonuses for new clients, but instead uses a loyalty or rebate scheme for eligible clients. Under that scheme, clients earn points based on their trading volume, typically 1 point per USD traded, and new account holders often receive an initial allocation of points to get started. At the end of each month, accrued points convert into a cash rebate. The rebate rate increases with trading volume, potentially reaching as much as 20% for high-volume traders. Beyond that, Trade Nation also offers a referral and partnership program for people who refer new clients. While these specifics may vary depending on region and account type, this can provide added benefits for affiliates or introducers. Instead of short-term deposit bonuses, Trade Nation's incentive structure is built around rewarding active traders and long-term clients through volume-based rebates and referral bonuses, which tends to benefit those who trade frequently or at higher volumes. The broker gives users flexibility by offering several platform options, depending on their trading style and needs. Their in-house platform, TN Trader, provides a streamlined browser-based and mobile-friendly trading environment, with fixed low spreads, integrated charting tools, live news, an economic calendar, and a signal center for trade ideas, making it a good fit for beginners and casual traders. For traders who prefer more advanced analysis, automation, or custom trading tools, Trade Nation also supports MetaTrader 4. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to a full suite of charting tools, multiple timeframes, dozens of built-in indicators, custom indicators, or expert advisors for algorithmic trading, as well as many order types, and the ability to trade on desktop, web, or mobile. Additionally, TradeNation allows integration with TradingView for charting, giving access to advanced charting tools, drawing tools, a wide community of public scripts and indicators, as well as customizable alerts, which can appeal to technical analysis-oriented traders. Trade Copier is TradeNation's built-in copy trading tool available via MetaTrader 4, designed for traders who want to automatically mirror experienced traders' strategies instead of crafting their own trades from scratch. Once you link your MetaTrader 4 account to Trade Copier, you can browse a global community of strategy providers, each with transparent performance stats, markets traded, and risk profiles, and you can choose who to copy from. The platform lets you customize how copying works, where you can match trade sizes proportional to your account balance, or choose a fixed size, and also set risk management parameters like maximum drawdown or stop thresholds. This makes Trade Copier suitable for novice traders who lack time or experience, as well as more active traders looking to diversify by combining multiple strategies across different markets. The broker offers a simple yet flexible account structure designed to accommodate traders of all experience levels. For live trading, clients have the choice between the TN Trader account, using TradeNation's proprietary platform with fixed low spreads and straightforward trading conditions, or the CFD account via MetaTrader 4, which provides advanced charting tools, custom indicators, automated trading via expert advisors, and full access to order types. Both live accounts typically have no minimum deposit requirement and offers competitive spreads, with leverage varying according to the client's regulatory jurisdiction to comply with local rules. Additionally, TradeNation supports Islamic or swap-free accounts for traders who require Sharia-compliant trading. This streamlined account setup makes it easy for traders to start quickly while providing enough flexibility and features for experienced traders to implement sophisticated strategies. Additionally, TradeNation offers a free demo account that gives new and prospective traders the opportunity to test the markets and explore the platform with virtual funds. The demo account mirrors the live trading environment, meaning users can trade the same instruments, view real-time pricing, practice order execution, and get familiar with the platform's features without risking any real capital. This makes it a low-risk way for beginners to learn how trading works, experiment with different strategies, and test their comfort level before moving onto a real account. The broker supports multiple deposit and withdrawal options to suit a variety of users, including credit and debit cards, digital wallets, cryptocurrencies, and local bank transfers. Deposits are generally instant for cards, wallets, and crypto, and the broker does not charge deposits or withdrawal fees. Withdrawals require a minimum of 50 units in your account currency, and once requested, they are typically processed within 1 business day. Though actual crediting to your bank, card, or wallet may take up to several days, depending on the payment method. TradeNation also requires that withdrawals go back to the same payment method used for the deposits, not third-party accounts, which helps with compliance and anti-money laundering safeguards. The broker provides a knowledge base filled with articles, guides, and market insights covering topics from basic forex trading, technical and fundamental analysis, to trading strategies and market news, helping traders build foundational knowledge or expand existing skills. They also offer webinars, some live, others on demand, where experienced analysts discuss market trends, trading psychology, strategies, and real-time demo trading, giving both new and intermediate traders a chance to learn in a guided format. On top of that, TradeNation includes a news and insights section, along with a live feed, real-time news stream that delivers up-to-the-minute market developments, economic data releases, and financial news across asset classes. Through this feed, traders can get headline-style updates on currencies, indices, commodities, equities, and more, with the ability to filter news based on their markets of interest so as not to get overwhelmed. In addition, TradeNation publishes regular analysis articles and market commentaries via its knowledge base and news and insights hub, useful for both new and experienced traders who want to stay informed or refine their trading ideas. This combination of real-time news, curated analysis, and educational content helps traders using TradeNation to stay connected to market conditions and make more informed decisions. Over the years of operation, TradeNation has received multiple industry recognitions, emphasizing its reliability, technological performance, and trader-focused services. Notably, it was awarded the most reliable technology at the TradingView Broker Awards, reflecting the stability and robustness of its trading platforms. It also has been named the best spread betting provider at the Online Money Awards, an accolade it has won multiple times, highlighting its competitive pricing, transparent spreads, and client-focused approach. Beyond these, TradeNation's consistent inclusion in global broker rankings underscores its reputation for excellence, trustworthy execution, and commitment to providing a secure, user-friendly trading experience for both new and experienced traders. Overall, TradeNation stands out as a broker that aims to balance simplicity, transparency, and accessibility, making it a solid option for many traders, especially those starting out or looking for straightforward, low-cost trading. Its regulation across multiple jurisdictions, including the UK, Australia, South Africa, and more, as well as practices such as segregated client funds and negative balance protection, gives it a real level of credibility and security that's important in the brokerage world. The fixed spread pricing model, absence of hidden commissions, and relatively no minimum deposit setup lower some of the usual barriers to entry. For traders who value cost predictability and want to trade without complicated fee structures or surprise charges, TradeNation makes that path simple and transparent. On the platform side, whether you prefer their in-house web platform or the global standard MetaTrader 4, TradeNation offers flexibility. That means whether you're a beginner wanting simplicity or a more experienced trader needing advanced charting and automation tools, there's something for every type of trader. While leveraged trading always carries risk, TradeNation's tools and protections help traders manage their risk effectively. The broker is a well-rounded, widely regulated broker that delivers on transparency, affordability, and ease of use. For many traders, from beginners to intermediate, it represents a balanced choice. If you value reliability, simple cost structures, and flexibility in trading tools, then TradeNation might be worth considering for your trading journey. And that is our overview of TradeNation. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.